let's walk into the garage. So let's see. One here. Sorry. Let's head to the back. That's a good sized garage. Meter. Bricks either side. Definitely the original feature. Okay. So it is single glazing.
As far as we know, yeah, because she had it. So the gentleman who lives here has moved by his daughter about 8 years ago.
So signs of damp there, that's probably from the outside. The central heating system. Original fireplace. Obviously these will have to go, unfortunately. But so, yeah, it's really nice. Storage. Small kitchen must be knocked through. It's quite typical of these buildings. Second reception room. Look into there. It's a nice garden at the back. So it's an extension there that goes all the way here. Nice large garden.
Not sure.
This side. It's the garage. Just says. Wallpaper. It's a block viewing today. Right upstairs. Nice stairway. Single glazed windows. Don't have to go. So there is a radiator. Separate WC. Family bathroom. Again, just needs completely gutting. There's double glazing that would have to be replaced as well. No signs of leaks. So an issue might be the roof, for example. Probably the master bedroom. Decent sized room, especially once you take all these out. That's the garden. So good neighbours. Lovely tree on that side. Okay. It's obviously very popular. Now this is often the smallest bedroom, it's often the box room, and it would come up to here, but actually it's quite a good size room with storage in there as well. So, you know, 3 proper doubles. Let's see, windows need looking at. And then sort of the third bedroom. Again, this could be the master bedroom. Absolutely fine. Some cracking up there. Let's have a look at the outside. This is very popular. So I'm pretty sure our lovely friends at Wallen Fernworth would sell this. It's going to be best and finals straight away. People are doing renovations over there, so I'll double check to see if that's a HMO or if it's a family house. If it's a family house, that's great news because it means that people are invested in this area. Murder weapon there. Okay, I think that's it. Let's walk back to the stairway because actually it's quite a nice stairway.
Yeah. It's for you to see the garden.
That's interesting. That looks out the back. Alright, see you.